Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a Toyota Supra in GTA V. First, you'll need to acquire the right base vehicle. Head over to Legendary Motorsport on your in-game phone and browse their selection. Look for the Dinka Jester Classic. This car is widely considered the best starting point for a Supra-inspired build. Make sure you have enough in-game cash to complete the purchase. Now, let's focus on the exterior to capture that Supra look. Visit Los Santos Customs. For the front bumper, consider options like street or race to get a more aggressive profile. Next, find a spoiler that closely mimics the classic Supra wing. Finally, pick a bold primary color, perhaps a bright orange or a deep red, to truly make your car stand out. Beyond aesthetics, performance upgrades are key. At Los Santos Customs, invest in engine, transmission, and brake upgrades to enhance your car's speed and handling. For the wheels, choose a sporty, multi-spoke design that complements the Supra's style. You might also want to select low-profile tires to complete the authentic street racer appearance, giving it that perfect stance. To finalize your Supra build, consider some smaller details. A custom exhaust can give your car a more aggressive and distinct sound, adding to the overall experience. Applying a dark window tint will provide a sleek, private look, just like many real-world custom builds. Once all your modifications are complete, take your new custom Supra for a spin and enjoy cruising through Los Santos.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.